Next command in STPanel is show configuration name. This command allows you change property in configuration of model. Which property I show you. For example, I open part, open properties configuration, and you see this property. This property what show in BOM table, and three variants: document name, configuration name, or user specified name. Let's close document. This commands allows you change this property for many documents. First of all, I need load in table parts or assemblies for which I want to change this property. I can do this. Open file from Explorer and select by Ctrl or by Shift files. I can load from current BOM table. If drawing have BOM table, I can select BOM table and press this button. I can load from active model, for as I will do later. I can load from active view if I have drawing, and in drawing I have drawing view. I can select this drawing view and press this button, and I can load from open files. I can open many files in Solidworks and press this button. After that, these files will load to the table. In our case, I open model assembly and load for active model. I can choose load only top level or load all levels. For example, I load only top. After that, you can see in table many parts or assemblies, and next column type, what type of model, name, configuration, name of configuration, model show name, and three value, and user prop. If set user specified name, user prop is set as a specified name, and show name, which name will show in BOM table. I can change model show name. For example, I can change on configuration name. Yes, I forgot to say one thing. When I load models, I can check this button. When this check in table loading all configuration from parts and assemblies. If this button uncheck, in table loading only configurations which used in current model. I can change model show name for one row and I can select many strings and press button synchronize. Yes, and in this case, for all selected rows, set a value from first select row. After I changed model show name, I can press apply button, and for all files of these models, set this model show name. What else? I can set user specified name, and I can write user properties to username. For example, my data name. After write, you can see show name will my data name. I can synchronize name of part with name configuration. As you see, many configurations have name on Russian по умолчанию. I can select next some details and run command write part name to name configuration. After that, configuration name will equal name, and I can write this. And what else? I can add in this table property column, for example, width, material length, or etc. And I can, if this property set in my paths, this property will show in this table, and I can use this for user prop. That's all about this comment. Thank you.